Hello, I'm Dr. Girish Nelivigi, urologist and andrologist from Nelivigi Multispeciality and Urology Hospital, Bangalore. Today, I would like to talk on a common urological problem and its treatment. I'll be speaking on renal cell carcinoma or cancer of the kidney. I'll be specifically talking about the surgical treatment of cancer of the kidney. The best solution for any person who suffers from cancer of the kidney is removal of the tumor or the kidney. So whether we remove the tumor or the kidney depends on the size of the tumor as well as the age and other parameters. Traditionally, all these years, the treatment of cancer of the kidney consisted of removal of the tumor along with the kidney. But in the last many years, surgery has changed so that we just remove the tumor of the kidney while keeping the kidney with the patient. The advantages of this approach is only the tumor is removed and the patient is left with both normal functioning kidneys. This is especially helpful if the patient is young, because he will or she will be living for the next 30 years, 25 years, and removing a kidney and keeping the patient with only one kidney could be hazardous. That's because if the patient develops diabetes or hypertension later on, it will damage the remaining kidney and the patient will end up with kidney failure. That's why it is important to preserve both the kidneys while removing only the tumor. Now, who are the patients who are fit for this approach? Any patient who has a kidney tumor measuring 2 centimeters, 3 or even 4 or even 5 centimeters can be a good candidate for this approach. What we do is we take appropriate anesthesia precautions, and also we surgically evaluate the patient by doing CT scan. And we choose the technique to preserve the kidney. This can be done by 2 techniques, either by keyhole surgery or by open surgery. Keyhole surgery is when we make 3 or 4 small cuts in the skin, each measuring about a centimeter, insert camera inside and instruments inside these keyholes and remove the tumor. The surgery takes about 2.5 to 3 hours and the patient will be in the hospital for about 2 to 3 days. However, if the tumor is bigger and more complicated, then we do an open surgery. Now, which are the tumors which are complicated and bigger? Anything more than 4 to 5 centimeters, or those tumors which are very near to the blood vessels of the kidney. These are sometimes done by open technique. Here also, the patient is operated under anesthesia. We make a cut on the skin, preserve the kidney and remove the tumor only. The hospitalization is about 4 to 5 days and the patient can get back to work after 3 weeks. In both the techniques, the kidney function is absolutely normal at the end of surgery. We do an ultrasound, a CT scan and also a functioning study of the kidney at the end of 3 months to ensure that the kidney is functioning, remaining kidney is functioning well. So, the message that I want to give is a kidney tumor does not mean you have to remove the kidney. It can be done by preserving the kidney and removing only the tumor. So this is called a partial nephrectomy. This surgery is called a partial nephrectomy or nephron saving surgery. So if you want to know more about it, please visit our website and you will get all the information. Thank you very much.